Hey everybody, how you doing? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. This is Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this video I want to talk to you about DeFilama. DeFilama is the house for all decentralized finance protocols, dApps, and different projects across many different blockchains, right? So in your quest to becoming a great investor in the cryptocurrency space, you might want to be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on a cryptocurrency exchange, which is a custodial account. They give you a wallet and you collect your cryptocurrency right there. Sometimes you can earn, stake, what have you, but you can also get out of a custodial account from a centralized exchange and do your own thing on a decentralized finance application. And well, DeFilama helps you understand and see which one it's the best for your needs, and that's what we're going to be talking right now. So let's go ahead and get started. This page is called DeFilama, so you can see the website on the top. And what I like about this one is because we have different blockchains. We have Ethereum, we have Binance Smart Chain, we have Tron, Avalanche, Solana, Polygon, Cronos, and many more Cardano as well that you probably have seen on this page. Now, what is the difference between this page, which is CoinMarketCap, and DeFilama? Well, the main difference is that on CoinMarketCap is geared toward the market cap of a project. You can totally see Bitcoin is the leader with 441 market cap billion, right? But on DeFilama, we don't see Bitcoin. And that is because these, what you're seeing right now, are blockchains that you can build different dApps, applications, decentralized finance applications on them. And you cannot on Bitcoin, but you can on Ethereum, which is the number one ERC20 and number one, basically, blockchain layer for a lot of different projects that are built and live currently on Ethereum. Because Ethereum does have its shortcomings and limitations, you can see here on CoinMarketCap different projects that support Ethereum, like Polygon right here. So there's just a bunch of different knowledge, right? So you are getting used to. But the way I use DeFilama is because I follow unique blockchains and projects, and I kind of want to get to know much closer. For example, Cronos is my favorite right now. I follow Solana. I follow, of course, Ethereum and Cardano, which Cardano, look at this. Cardano is number 8 on market cap, but it's number 25 on TVL. Now, what did I just say? TVL? Yes, my friends, right here. TVL stands for Total Value Locked. So CoinMarketCap is the place for you to see the market cap of a project. In a previous video, we said that is the total circulated supply times the value of the cryptocurrency. The TVL is all the money that any investor, right, deposits onto this blockchains inside the protocols, and you can see what is the value that people are dedicating to this blockchain, right? Which, if you have, for example, Ethereum has 53 billion, there's 53 billion total money in dollars that people are accruing and holding on Ethereum blockchain as far as decentralized finance purposes, either doing some type of protocol, some type of contracts, or any type of APY, APR management system. Really, it's a variety. And right here, this is not a video explaining decentralized finance, but it is a great tool for anyone watching to understand. If you, for example, if you like Cronos, right? Come click Cronos and you're gonna see that right now the value locked is 1.55 billion. But once back in April 2022, instead of 1.5, it was almost 5 billion. So what has happened? Definitely the price decrease during the bear market has, accelerated the sell-offs, because this is money that you deposit and you kind of hold it and stake it. People just sell off and get out and run away in difficult times. It is what it is. Right here, you can see that inside that blockchain, you have your main protocols and dApps that hold the majority of the money. And you can take a look at this one called VVS Finance, holds $732 million, according to DeFilama. That is why it's very powerful. If you want to decide to deposit your money in a specific protocol, come to DeFilama, do your research, see if you're putting your money in the top top two, right? That's what I really recommend, and go for it. Start with DeFi, with decentralized finance, because it kind of looks like this. This is the main page for VVS, and well, it's very professional, has all the news you need. They have a community, a Discord, a Twitter. So when you're doing your research and finding that decentralized application, DeFilama will help you. And of course, taking a look at what the chain is. In this case, is Chronos, what the category is, DEX, lending, GL, and more, stablecoin. What is the rate of return so far, and the market cap as well, which in this case is 25 million. Not bad at all. Well, everybody, now you know it. This is DeFilama, and welcome. Have a good one, everybody. Like, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.